In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Kanban board. If you're new to Trello, it's a fantastic tool for organizing and visualizing tasks, making it easier to manage your work and collaborations. Let's break down how you can set it up and start using it efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to Trello.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on the login button in the upper right corner of the page. Now you've got options when it comes to logging in. You can use your Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack accounts, or simply use your email address. This flexibility makes it really easy to just dive into Trello without any hassles. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new board. You can do this from the main dashboard or by clicking the plus sign in the top right corner. This is where you get to add a personal touch, choose a name for your board, and even customize the background if you like. This can set the tone for your projects and make the board feel a little more like yours. With your board ready, let's create lists for your workflow. Think of each list as a step in your process, maybe something like to do, in progress, and completed. These lists will help you visualize where every task stands and what needs attention. Now onto the meat of the Trello board, adding task cards to your lists. Each card should represent a single task. This helps keep things clear and manageable, allowing you to focus on one thing at a time without getting overwhelmed. For a bit more granularity, you can split up larger tasks into smaller components by using checklists within a card. This feature is particularly handy for tasks that require multiple steps or involve different roles. To make your tasks even more organized, consider adding color-coded labels to your cards. Labels help in categorizing tasks at a glance, whether it's by priority, department, or status. It's a visual cue that can save you time when scanning through your board. Collaboration is a core part of Trello, so don't forget to invite your team members to your board. You can do this from the menu on the left side of the screen. Once they've joined, you can assign tasks to specific team members by opening a card and choosing Add followed by Members. This way, everyone knows who's responsible for what without any confusion. Finally, as tasks evolve, you'll want to move your cards through the workflow steps. Simply drag and drop the cards from one list to the next as you make progress. This motion is the essence of Kanban, providing a dynamic view of your project flow. And there you have it. You are now ready to use Trello Kanban boards to organize your tasks effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I can't wait to see how you use Trello in your own projects. Happy organizing!